Hey guys, so we are in day 11. Yeah, the month. I can't believe I've been off work for 12 days now. Yeah. So anyway, I am in this robe that I never finish, and every time I say I'm gonna finish it, but I think I might finish it this year. It just needs to be hemmed. So you know you got string hanging off of me. But it wasn't intended to be a robe. It was a dress that I overdid, and then I decided that, you know what, it's a robe and it gets to my knee, so I'm using a robe, have my head done and all that. So basically I am getting ready to go to a kiddie bar party. You know, I'm the auntie that's rolling up in there with no kids, with the gifts. And I'm gonna wear one of my me make, so I'm gonna show you in a few what I'm gonna wear. It's not gonna be one of those where I'm gonna be videoing it or anything, because these are people kids. I think it's kids. It's at a place. But also the weather sucks. It is raining, but thank God it's like 51 degrees, so glad for that. So that means no snow, because if it was, I would not be going anywhere, because I don't like driving in it. So, and it's about a 35-minute drive, because it's on the other side of town. So anyway, but I was like, you know what, let me get out the house, let me go show my face, and they're Spanish, so let me eat some good food, and then come back and finish this. So where I'm at, as you can see, it is pretty much done. I just have to put the buttons in. So when I come back tonight, I'm gonna line them up and put the buttons in. Everything else is done. The sleeves are hem, collar's done, everything. The bottom is hem, the pants is done. Literally only thing left for me to do is the button, and then I will be wearing it. So I'm probably gonna do a little reel with it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little reel or Instagram shorts with this. I think it's just a cute a cute thing to do. And now that I executed it, and it is easy. The pattern I use says it's so easy, it's simplicity 9712, and so they were actually right. It is easy. Now when you look at it, at first it was supposed to be long, but of course I didn't have enough fabric. But it kind of makes sense that I did do that. I was able to do it short, because if you look at the sleeve is a 3/4 sleeve. So 3/4 sleeve, 3/4 pants. So that's how I'm gonna look at it. But I just think it looks so fresh and clean, and the collar came out really nice, and it's just give me, you know, white sheet, because I have white sheets on my bed. You know, when you're still finding threads, I have white sheets on my bed, so this is, you know, and chill. And I just saw the thread. Where did it go? Where did it go? I don't know. Thread disappeared on me. Oh. And it wasn't even an attached thread. It was just a thread hanging off. So that's good. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And so what I got to in the book. So this is the December subscriber pick, and this is Razor Blade Tears, a S.A. Cosby, and I am enjoying it. I am on page 110, and what I'm gonna say is, oh, it's really good. It is a crime mystery. So this is about a man who had spent quite a few years in jail. He's out. He's been living an honest life and doing everything not to go back in there, because this is a promise he made to his you know, his son and his wife, that he will stay out of trouble. But when his son was killed, his son is a gay man who's in a marriage, and him and his husband were both killed. It kind of pulled him back in, because the police wasn't doing anything, and he wanted to know, with the help of the son's husband's father, who is in the mix of it and also wants to find who did it. And so there are fathers who are struggling with how they did not accept their son's life how they didn't have the best relationship because of their son's sexual orientation. So that's in the mix of it. But then you have one of the father who was really pretty much was ruthless back in the days, and he is trying to quiet that demon that now is rised and he is going through it, and he's investigating. So this is where you get the mystery. So you dig in and you're realizing, is this a hate crime, or was there some other stuff going on that you know, his son was killed? You get all of this. Love the chemistry between the fathers. I love how they, you know, talking about certain things about their sons. This is good and I'm enjoying it, so I can't wait to find out what really happened. I think there's going to be a twist that's going to surprise me. I just get the feeling, so I'm going to keep reading. So I'm going to get on the computer, do some stuff, go in that closet, pick out these boots I want to wear, because the other boots that I was planning on wearing, it is suede, and because it's suede and it's raining, it's a no-no for me. So I have to wear something else. So I will show you what I put on and what I wear. So let me get on this computer and get something to drink. I'm coughing. See y'all in a few. Alright guys, so I did that take twice for episode what is this? Episode 12 of Wear What I Made. And so yeah, so I love this dress. I don't know, I love this dress, and I really want to see what it's gonna look like in a brighter color. I'm going to be making one for my mother, but in that color that I showed you guys, and then I'm going to make another one for my friend. But again, this is just such a great winter dress. Like right now I am warm and I need to get out of the house because that's how warm this dress is. So again, if you are a person that is in, you know, a cold area, get the right fabric and you will love this, because it is one of those two-tone. It is black inside, but it is warm and I love it. And this, I think I got this fabric at, I want to say my local fabric place is where I got this fabric at. So I love it. Love, love, love it. All right guys, see you in the next one. Guys, look at all these things behind me falling down. I need to secure them. My little holiday stuff is like, no. And this red lip, love it. I think this is a Marc Jacob. I think can't remember. I have so much lipstick, but I love this red. It's just like a perfect red tone, blue undertone kind of red. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but yeah. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a few. Hey guys, I am back and I'm exhausted. So I'm an introvert, guys, so to get me out the house and to actually do stuff takes a lot, and for me this is worth it. This is a really kiddie party, like a true kiddie party, because I'm Caribbean and a lot of times those kiddie parties are really for the adults. This is really for the kids. You see my face? Y'all see this? the ornament on my face. Yeah. Now, of course, I was going to record anything. I record just the food and just the display, but this is, again, a kiddie party. It's not appropriate for videoing anybody, kids, or even anybody. So it was a lot of fun. They did musical chair, which was actually really, really funny. The kids version, of course, they had the adults playing. They did the holding like a lemon on the forehead with your partner, and you gotta dance and try to not drop the lemon. That was funny. But the one that was cute but also sad is when they play they blindfold for the kid and have parents sit down, and by touching the hands they have to guess which hand it belongs to their parent. Most other kids got their parents right, which was so sweet, and to see that happen, it was like, okay. But the few that got it wrong, just to see how sad they were when they, you know, the blindfold came off and it wasn't their parents' hand that they were holding. Yeah, that was sad. But at the same time, it's a fun game, I think. But other than that, had a good time. The 35-minute drive wouldn't have been so bad if it wasn't raining. It is raining, like pouring, and it's supposed to change over to like an ice tonight. So me, you know, I was there for about 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours. That's a lot for me. And so I knew when to check out and just, you know, get back on the road and drive home in this bad weather. Glad it's like 50 degrees, but it started dropping. It's like in the 40s now, but I don't play with weather like that during this time of the year because it can switch at any minute to like freezing rain, and I don't like driving on ice. So this is one of those videos, guys, you know, vlog where it's about just getting out, doing stuff, and so I don't have a lot to talk about. Of course, this is not done. I'm gonna get back to it tonight and finish this tomorrow, and talk about it. I don't think I'm gonna sew again. I'm exhausted. Yo, them kids' energy is not the same as my energy. Because I'm exhausted right now. Y'all see my energy just like womp womp. And I don't think I'm gonna put the buttons on that top tonight. That's another thing, because I feel like when it comes to button, I always feel like I have to be alert and pay attention, because you don't want to mess up the buttons and then you just completely ruin the top. So I'm gonna do that in the morning when I know I can see better and best be able to put the buttons in properly and get that done and record some stuff. And I need to work out in the morning as well, so I need to get some good sleep. So we're gonna finish this and talk about it either tomorrow or the day after. I do have another video set for tomorrow that is pre-planned, that is going to be, I want to record tomorrow, and that will come out the following day. So we'll see how I juggle these two videos, but there's more topics and more categories of things to talk about in the next few. So yeah, guys, it was a fun day. It was a fun day. And the dress was a hit. The compliments was a hit, especially when they found out that I made it. So it was like another moment of me loving this dress and appreciating that I made it. Yay! Yay to growth. Yay to 2 years of sewing. And I can't wait to see what like 5 years of sewing would do for me. Like, what would I produce? What level would I be on? These earrings are nice, but I realized after a while they feel heavy. They feel heavy. They don't... At first I didn't feel like they were heavy, but I think after a couple of hours I kind of was like, but I love them. So I would still wear them, of course, but I feel like if it's something that's going to be a long, I might have to rethink. Because I think if... What am I saying? I just think I'm tired. What am I saying? Because no, they're not. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here because I'm just blabbing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.